Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Bridge course for class 11 students. In the previous video lecture, we have studied equations of motion. There are three equations of motion and they are V equal to U plus AT, V square equal to U square plus 2AS and S equal to UT plus half AT square. These are the three equations of motion that we have studied in the last video lecture. And also we solved some numerical problems based on equations of motion. So today we are going to study about logarithms. Logarithms are very important and they are having many applications. While solving numerical problems in physics as well as in chemistry, logarithms are very important. So today we are going to study about logarithms. Logarithms and the exponents. These two are pretty closely related. For example, if I am going to take 3 raised to 4. What is the value of 3 raised to 4? We can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That gives the value 81. So 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. That means the power of the base tells us how many times the base is multiplied with itself. That is the exponents. So 3 raised to 4 equal to 81. We have studied this in exponents. Then what are logarithms? Now this exact same thing that we can written using logarithms. So this can be written as, we can write in terms of logarithms, log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. So this is exponential form and this is logarithmic form. Here in logarithmic form, logarithm can be written as log, but you can look at this expression carefully. The power or the exponent is the answer and base of the log is base number. So when the log expression, we are asking 3 raised to what gives 81. So the answer is what? 3 raised to 4 gives the value 81. The power to which the base of the log needs to be raised to get the argument will be the answer. Right? Now, you can observe this example. 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. This is the exponential form that you have studied. So 2 raised to 3 equal to 8 can be written using logarithm, that is log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So logarithmic base will be the base number in exponents and answer in the logarithm will be the power of the base in the exponents. So exponent form can be written in a logarithmic form like this. Is it clear? 2 raised to 3 equal to 8 is exponential form. And the same can be written using logarithm, that is log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Then using this example, how to define a logarithm? So it is the exponent that indicates the power to which a base number is raised to produce a given number. That means 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. It is the exponent that indicates the power is what here 3, which is raised to the base number to produce a given number. Or logarithms are a way of looking differently at exponentials. Exponentials can be looked differently using these logarithms. Right? Now we can see the example. 3 raised to 4 equal to x. What is the value of x? So in logarithm, what we can do here, 3 raised to 4 means what? We can multiply the base number with itself 3 times. So that gives the value 81. So we can write 3 raised to 4 equal to 81. So using logarithms, how to write this equation? Log of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. This is the logarithmic form. That is log 81 to the base 3 equal to 4. Now come to the second example. Similarly, you can do it here. Log of 125 to the base 5 is equal to x, or that means 5 raised to what gives 125. That means 5 raised to x equal to 125. We have to find the value of x. What we can do here? So 5 into 5 into 5. That gives 125. That means 5 raised to 3 equal to 125. So then what is the value of x? X is equal to how much? That is 3. Right? Now come to the third example. Log of 32 to the base 2 is equal to x. So that indicates we can write this equation as 2 raised to x equal to 32. What is the value of x? Here multiply 2, here 2 can be multiplied itself 5 times. So that gives the value 32. That means 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Therefore x equal to how much? 5. The value of x is 5. Now this is the different and interesting problem. Log 1 to the base 4 equal to y. See here. So this can be written as, I am going to rewrite the above equation as 4 raised to y is equal to 1. 4 raised to y equal to 1. That means 4 raised to which value gives the answer 1. We studied in exponents. We know that any non-zero number, 4 is a non-zero number. Any non-zero number raised to 0 is how much? Any non-zero number raised to 0 is always equal to 1. So we can write, therefore 4 raised to 0 equal to 1. So 4 raised to 0 means, therefore the value of y is 0. So log 1 to the base 4 is equal to 0. Then next problems, log 64 to the base 4 equal to x and log 343 to the base 7 equal to y. Now based on these concepts which I have explained now, try to solve these two problems. I will explain the solutions of these two problems in the next video.